I get a lot of questions about curbless showers and how to build them. This is a curbless shower built for a lady that's in a wheelchair in this new house that my friend Donnie is building for some people. Now notice how high the shower pan comes up on the wall. It comes up above the drop down. There's a ledge right here where my foot is. That'll get filled in with concrete and then tiled over so that the wheelchair goes directly into the shower without having any interference. So that also they have installed the plumbing valves in the wall here and up here at a specific height so the caretaker that's with the person in the wheelchair can access them to bathe the person in the wheelchair. And then if you'll notice also there's regular height valves so that anyone else that's not in a wheelchair can also use the shower. Now one of the most important things in a handicap bathroom is you have to have a certain turning radius. So this bathroom shower area looks really big, and that's because there's a turning radius for the wheelchair that will accommodate that. And then we have a 3/0 door, and that is to allow a wheelchair width. It's a width wide enough to allow a wheelchair without you scuffing up your knuckles. And then of course this is a double wide door from the bedroom. It just makes everything a lot easier for them to get in and out. Now that's kind of the basics of how you do a handicap bathroom.